Do you know when you need to create a file for any reason, like an empty file with 1 gig or 5 gig or 10 gig, something like that, and you think, okay, how can I do that? How can I proceed? If you have this kind of question, or if you have no answer at all, this video is for you. This is a video that is part of a series called How To. The main idea here is to deliver quick answers to simple questions that we see in our daily basis. So let's jump to the terminal. We are in this machine. Let me create a folder here called File. There is no file yet. One way to create this file is using fallocate. If you are not familiar with fallocate, definitely you can call the main page. Fallocate will pre-allocate or deallocate space to a file. This is definitely a nice way to create files whenever you need it. Some important points here. You can take a look on the manual page. I always recommend it. But basically, check this out. We have allocate, we have -l length, and then file name. And for length, check this out. This is nice because you can pass as gig, terabyte, petabyte, or you can pass the suffix. So yeah, nice stuff over here. And again, spend some time reading manual page. This is awesome. Okay. So, all right, let's say that I like to create a file with 1 gig. Fallocate -l 1 gig file 1 gig. And there you go. Let's check this out. I have my file with 1 gig. Can I create with 5 gigs? Definitely I can. Check this out. We can see this is 1, this is 5. Let's do a do 5 gigs, and with H 5 gigs as well. So this is pretty neat, pretty cool, pretty fast. If you need to create something that will help you to test, for instance, the connection between like 2 servers, and you like to create some file in one side and then copy on the other side using SCP or via HTTP, HTTPS, whatever. Definitely this is a very quick way to create your local file with the size that you wish. All right, pretty cool, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Again, this is a video that is part of a series called How To. The main idea here is to deliver quick questions to answers that we have in our daily basis. Let me know in the comments which kind of question do you have, and I will love to deliver in this format. Also, if you believe this video is valid and is helping you somehow, feel free to subscribe in our channel. Definitely this will help me to keep creating content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.